you? Who are you? Who are you? Who is there? Who is there? Who is there? What's your full name? What's your full name? What's your full name? Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? Are you American? Are you American? Are you American? Does anybody here speak English? Does anybody here speak English? Does anybody here speak English? What do you wish? What do you wish? What do you wish? Can I help you? Can I help you? Can I help you? What is this called in English? What is this called in English? What is this called in English? What does this word mean? What does this word mean? What does this word mean? Please come in. Please come in. Please come in. Please sit down. Please sit down. Please sit down. Sit here. Sit here. Sit here. Wait for me. Wait for me. Wait for me. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. Come with me. Come with me. Come with me. I don't understand English well. I don't understand English well. I don't understand English well. You speak too fast. You speak too fast. You speak too fast. Please speak more slowly. Please speak more slowly. Please speak more slowly. I want to see you. I want to see you. I want to see you. Please repeat. Please repeat. Please repeat. I know. I know. I know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I am afraid. I am afraid. I am afraid. I think so. I think so. I think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. It seems to me. It seems to me. It seems to me. I have forgotten. I have forgotten. I have forgotten. Where do you work? Where do you work? Where do you work? What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living? How long have you been working here? How long have you been working here? How long have you been working here? I work at a bank. I work at a bank. I work at a bank. I am a software engineer. I am a software engineer. I am a software engineer. I have been working here for 5 years. I have been working here for 5 years. I have been working here for 5 years. What do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time? Do you like traveling? Do you like traveling? Do you like traveling? What's your favorite place to visit? What's your favorite place to visit? What's your favorite place to visit? I enjoy painting and listening to music. I enjoy painting and listening to music. I enjoy painting and listening to music. I love visiting Paris. I love visiting Paris. I love visiting Paris. Conversation 1. Greeting and getting to know each other. Hi, I don't think we've met before. My name is Anna.
Hi, Anna. I'm Mark. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from London. How about you?
I'm from New York. Are you here for work or vacation?
I'm here on a business trip.
Conversation 2. Meeting an old friend.
Hey, long time no see. How have you been?
Oh, hi, I've been great. How about you?
I'm good too. What have you been up to?
I recently started a new job. It's been really exciting. Conversation 3. Asking for help.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course, what do you need?
I'm looking for the nearest coffee shop. Do you know where it is?
Yes, there's one just around the corner.
Conversation 4. Asking about hobbies.
So, what do you like to do in your free time?
I love watching movies and playing the guitar. How about you?
That sounds fun. I enjoy reading and hiking.
Conversation 5. Saying goodbye.
It was nice talking to you.
Yeah, same here. Let's keep in touch.
Absolutely. See you soon.
See you. Conversation 6. Booking a restaurant table. I'd like to book a table for 2, please.
Sure. What time would you like?
7 p.m., please.
All right. Your table is reserved.
Conversation 7. Meeting a business partner. Hello, Mr. Smith. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Likewise, I've heard great things about your company.
Thank you. Let's discuss our collaboration. Conversation 8. Asking for directions.
Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the train station?
Sure, go straight ahead, then turn left.
Thank you so much.
Conversation 9. Taking a taxi.
Hello, can you take me to the airport?
Of course. Hop in.
How long will it take?
About 30 minutes.
Conversation 10. Meeting a celebrity.
Excuse me. Are you a celebrity?
Yes, I am. Nice to meet you.
Wow. I'm a big fan. Can I take a picture with you?
Sure, let's take one.